Here I have Samsung Galaxy F23, and today I'm going to show you how to enter download mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your Samsung off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, volume up plus volume down. Hold these two keys, and while you hold them you have to connect your device to the USB cable which is connected to the computer. Just like this. So as you can see, I hold these volume keys, and after that download mode appears. You can show barcode. So yeah. So if you want to quit download mode, just hold down power key plus volume down for more than 7 seconds, and after that your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.